This golden spice could be the most powerful natural healer on earth. Used for over 4,000 years, and now proven by modern science. And one simple trick can make it up to 20 times more powerful. We'll get to that in a moment. In ancient India, turmeric or haldi wasn't just a spice, it was medicine. Ayurveda used it to heal wounds, purify blood, and soothe digestion. Chinese medicine valued it for easing pain and improving blood circulation. Even Egyptian records mention turmeric as a sacred dye for rituals, symbolizing purity and vitality. Fast forward to today, and scientists have discovered turmeric's secret ingredient, curcumin, a compound with remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research has been eye-opening. A study in phytotherapy, research found that 500 milligrams of curcumin daily worked just as well as ibuprofen for knee arthritis, without causing stomach damage. Other studies suggest it may protect brain function, improve heart health, and even support cancer prevention, although more research is still needed to confirm these benefits. So how can you use turmeric effectively? You can add it to cooking, make turmeric tea, or take it as a supplement. But here is the catch. Curcumin is poorly absorbed by the body. The secret? Combine it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Popular ways to enjoy turmeric include golden milk, turmeric mixed with black pepper, warm milk, and a touch of honey. Turmeric tea with ginger and lemon. Adding turmeric powder to curries, soups, or smoothies. Let's talk about the top benefits backed by research. 1. Supports joint and muscle health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects can help ease stiffness and soreness. 2. Improves digestion. Traditionally used to soothe the stomach and support healthy digestion. 3. Boosts immunity. Antioxidants in turmeric help defend the body from free radicals. 4. May support brain health. Some studies link curcumin to better memory and mood. 5. Promotes healthy skin. Known for its ability to calm irritation and support skin repair. But as with anything, there are precautions. If you're pregnant, taking blood thinners, or have gallbladder problems, speak with your doctor before taking large doses. And while small amounts in food are safe for most people, too much turmeric can cause stomach upset in some cases. From ancient temples to modern laboratories, turmeric has stood the test of time. It's more than just a flavor. It's a bridge between history and health. So, is turmeric a miracle spice or simply a tasty tradition? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy learning about ancient remedies with modern scientific backing, subscribe for more, because we've got a whole garden of secrets to explore.